Welcome to a new episode of Depreciation Nation, and today we are going to bring you yet another new product review. Now, if you've been following the channel, you've seen that we really like and enjoy the Chemical Guys brand products, and they've got a new product that we are getting ready to show you right now. But before we do that, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button at the bottom of your screen so that you don't miss more segments like this. Now, today, we are going to bring to you Chemical Guys' new Ceramic Hydrothread product, which is advertised to be both stain and moisture prevention on anything that has a fibrous thread in a vehicle. They also say that you can use it on shoes, you can use it on hats, you can use it on a number of things. Now, if you've been following the channel, you saw that we lost our Hyundai Santa Fe in a previous video, and so this was actually filmed early on as soon as this product came out, and we are going to make this application to our Hyundai Santa Fe. Now, despite the fact that we no longer have that vehicle, I will tell you that the application was easy. If you read the instructions or you watch the Chemical Guys video for application, which you will find in a link in the description below, you will see that they recommend application with a soft brush. They recommend 2 applications at least an hour apart, and we followed those directions pretty closely, except for the fact that we did not have that soft fiber brush. So we actually used a microfiber cloth, and we found that to be very effective. So, without anything further, let's show you the process. So that is the application process for Chemical Guys Ceramic Hydrothread product. Again, as we mentioned, the video that Chemical Guys posted encourages to brush this in with a soft fiber brush. We did not have access to one of those or have one of those available, so we used a microfiber towel to make our application, and we found it to work as described, as promised, and we found the product to do everything that Chemical Guys claims it will do, with no sort of trickery or TV magic involved. So, if you've got a brand new car, you might want to consider the use of this. If you've got a used car with a clean interior, you might want to consider the use of this. As we lost the vehicle that we made application to, we did not get to do any sort of a long-term test. So I will tell you that when we replace that vehicle, we will be applying this product again, and then we will respond to you, our audience, with the long-term results that we had anticipated we would be able to provide. So, we want to thank you for watching, and if you happen to like this video, perhaps you'll consider hitting that subscribe button at the bottom of your screen, because we offer all types of eclectic automotive content. And if you don't like what you saw today, you might like what you see next week or the week after. You never know if we are going to be bringing you a noteworthy individual within the automotive industry, or a product review, or a project car, or a automotive review. So, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.